Hi, my name is Dinar Aurasra Putri, but you can address me Dinar.
Where do you live now?
I live in Bogor Regency, which part of Bogor in Cikias Gardenia residence.
How old are you now?
I am 19 years old.
Okay.
Mhm.
What do you do and what what's your field of study
For now,
for now?
I'm a student. I study legal science in the Faculty of Law Pakuan University 2024.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read a book, listen to music, study, and cook.
What's your hobby?
My hobby are watching a movie, listening music, and reading a book.
And what's your plan in the future?
My plan in the future are I would like to work as a diplomat or judges in the future, and I hope if I have a golden opportunities, I can continue my study in overseas by the scholarship.
Who has influenced you most?
For the most, the first is me, myself, and secondly is my parents because my parents always give any responsibilities for me, for my brothers, also for continuous the study until we are graduated from university.
You can describe yourself with 2 or 3 words.
I am diligent, I'm ambitious, and I'm confident.
What skill do you want to gain in this subject?
To be honest, for me, all of the subject, if we learn about English, it's so important because we need to know about speaking, about listening, about writing skills, and also about reading.
How many languages do you speak and what language are they?
For me, right now, I speak in 2 languages. The first for the main language is Indonesian, and the secondly is English.
In your opinion, how important is learning foreign language?
Learning the foreign language for me it's so important because like I said before, if you want to globalizing yourself, you must learn about the foreign language. Also, if you want to take the scholarship in overseas, you must take the TOEFL or IELTS, right? So that's why you must learn about English. And also, my English tutor ever said that if you learn about foreign language, your life will be easy like that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm Ravandi Raja and I'm here. I would like to know you throughout the interview today. So, can you describe yourself like your strength, positive character, your weakness, and your negative character?
Okay, thank you so much for your question. Before that, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Dinar Aurasura Putri, but you can address me Dinar. I am 19 years old. I am excellent in the foreign language, especially in English. I am able to working in a team, and I'm interested in public speaking, volunteering, and also teaching because I love kids so much. And also, I recently managed to handle the project with all of the voluntary in Indonesia with the collaboration by Indorelawan. And also for the positive characteristic, I am hardworking, I am diligent, and I'm clever. And I try to the best for myself and everything that I do. And for weakness, I'm not very good enough for managing my time because for me, sometimes I need 48 hours in a day if I have any activities. And also, I could be better at working in a team. I'm reasonably good at speaking in public, and I would like to able for speak in English and thinking with English fluently. And for negative characteristic, I can sometimes be impatient if I find the person who doesn't like me, but they are ask everyone for hates me, for hates my parents, for hates my close friends. Like for what? And also occasionally sometimes I'm emotional, but it's not emotional by angry emotion. It's supposed to be sad emotion, or we can say as melancholic person. And also I can be a little bit perfectionist and ambitious. That's all for me. Thank you very much for
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Putri Ramadanti, but you can call me Putri.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in Asrama Pomat.
How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
What do you do? What's your field of study?
I'm a student of Law Department of University of Pakuan in Bogor, you know?
I know. We are in the same university anyway. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening music or reading books.
Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is swimming, sometimes running. And
How about exercise?
no.
Okay. What are your plans in the future?
I want to be prosecutor or I want to take PPKTNI, you know.
I know it. And then enough?
Enough.
Okay. Who has influenced you the most?
My parents, because they are support me always,
Okay.
every time.
This your parents?
Just my parents.
Okay. Who has describe yourself in 2 or 3 words?
Maybe 2 words, yeah. Flexible, responsible.
Oh yeah. Okay. And then what skills do you want to gain in this subject?
I don't know, maybe I'm not good at English, but I can understand it.
Okay. How many language do you speak? What language are they?
Indonesia and English, but I can speak Japanese too,
Okay.
a little bit.
Japanese, nice. In your opinion, how important is learning a foreign language?
Very important because when I want go to abroad, English is a language is often used in the world. So I think that's very important
For you, right? For everyone.
for everyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Dinar Aura, and here I would like to know you through the interview today. So, can you describe yourself, like your strengths, positive characters, your weakness, and your negative characters?
Okay. I am variable and always eager to learn new things. I try to maintain a positive attitude. I'm not very good at multitasking assignments. I could be better at handling stressful situations. You know? And I'm reasonably good at following instruction and working a part of a team.
Working in a team.
Yes. I would like able to improve my communication skills, especially when presentation group. I can sometimes be a bit shy, when I meet new people.
Why?
I don't know. I'm being nervous when I meet new people, and occasionally I'm easily distracted and need to improve my focus.
Focus.
I can be a little bit too eager to this and might overcommit myself.
Enough? Okay, thank you so much for your attention today.
Okay. Good morning.
Morning, Putri.
Okay. You know my name, but I don't know your name. So, what's your name?
My name is Ade Raffi Nagawanto, and you can call me Raffi.
Where do you live, Rafi?
I live in Tajur Street. It's east side of Bogor.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 19 years old this year.
Okay.
Empat ya?
What do you do? What's your field of study?
I study law in the Faculty of
Law, Papua University.
Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
My free time, I like to play games a lot and probably help my mom.
Okay.
That's
So
how I
you're
do it.
gaming.
I'm a gamer.
Okay, what's your hobby?
My hobby is same as I play in my free time. Is playing video game.
Okay. Who's your gaming? Like what?
A PC game.
Okay. What skills do you want to gain in this subject?
This subject, I don't know. I'm not good at English, but I can understand it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many languages do you speak? What language are they?
Language probably Indonesian and English. That's it. Yeah.
Just two.
Just two.
Okay. In your opinion, how important is learning a foreign language?
Foreign language for me is very important because English is a global language that everyone use. That's it.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Morning.
I am Putri, and here I will get to know you through the interview today. So, can you describe yourself, like your strengths, positive characters, your weakness, and your negative characters?
Yes, I can. My strength is I'm good at operate the computer and I'm interested in public speaking.
Okay.
And my positive character is I'm a hardworking guy and I'm an honest man.
Okay.
My weakness is I'm not good at managing my time
Okay.
and working in a team.
Okay.
And my negative character is I'm an emotional man, and that's all. That's it.
Good. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Rafandi Ralda. You can call me Fandi.
How old are you, Fandi?
This year I'm 19 years old.
You're 19 years old. Okay. What do you do, and what's your field of study?
I'm a student. I'm studying law in the Faculty of Law, University Pakuan.
Oh, okay. You're Pakuan. Okay. What do you like to do in your free time?
Mostly in my free time, I like to reading a comic and playing video game.
That's all?
Yes.
That's all. Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing video game with my friends and playing football.
What are your plans in the future?
In the future, I'd like to be a notaris.
Okay. Who has influenced you the most?
The most influenced me is my family because support all my activity and always support me.
Okay. Describe yourself in 2 or 3 words.
Easygoing and kind.
Easygoing and kind. Okay. What skill do you want to gain in this subject?
In the subject, I just want to smoothly speaking English.
That's it? How many languages do you speak and what language are they?
I can speak 2 languages, and language is English and Indonesian.
English and Indonesian. Only 2?
Yes.
Okay. In your opinion, how important is learning a foreign language?
In my opinion, it's very important because it's useful. For example, improve brain memories and increase our verbal and non-verbal intelligence.
Okay, that's very good answer. Thank you, Rifandi.
Thank you.
Morning, Rifandi.
Morning.
I am Raffi, and here I would like to know you through the interview today. So, can you describe yourself, like your strength, your positive character, your weakness, and your negative characters?
Okay. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Rafandi Ralda. About my strengths, I'm excellent in teamwork, job, and work in the team. I'm able to operate the computer, work under pressure.
That's very good.
I'm interested in speaking in public. I usually manage to handle a project, and my positive character, I'm hardworking. Okay, my weakness is I'm not good at speaking in public and working in the team. Meditative character, I would say speaking with my new friends, and I'm not good at control my emotion.
That's it. Okay. Thank you, Rifan.
Thank you.